This is our 4th APEC MedTech Forum. We have close to 740 delegates that have joined us today. We have representatives from companies, governments, and also healthcare providers. It's the place where everybody congregates to help to advance the world of health. Together, we can form a coalition where we can truly advance policies, bring innovation to the healthcare industry, and also to shape regulatory harmonization.
This is a technology-driven medical device conference. Innovation and technology is going to drive better outcome, so I'm looking forward to see innovations.
We will be looking at latest developments within the region, so it'll be a great opportunity to see what the future holds for MedTech in Asia.
This year's theme is Technology in Healthcare, Empowering Patients, Driving Outcomes. Technology is disrupting the traditional MedTech industry as we know it, and that's all very exciting. But we must not lose sight of the fact that technology is only an enabler to help patients and to drive better outcomes.
I'm very excited about the progress that APAC Med has made, creating a true feeling of a sense of community and an ecosystem that's very vibrant.
The APEC MedTech Forum is a good meeting place for different stakeholders in the MedTech ecosystem, from startups to the big corporates, as well as healthcare providers, where they can share insights to propel the healthcare industry forward.
The most important area that I felt in the topics discussed today was the efficiencies in healthcare, and how do we gain those using technology, because they do understand that's a requirement.
So much of it talks about innovation and the importance of innovation in driving patient outcomes and value creation in the healthcare industry.
Asia sets the world's pace in commerce and digital and big data to really mine unmet patient need and bring some of the interventions earlier to have a profound outcome.
It's really very reassuring to see that our leaders are so focused on increasing access to healthcare. I think technology can help empower patients by increasing the pace of delivery of access to healthcare.
More than 70% of people across Asia Pacific do not have access to quality healthcare. Our biggest opportunity as MedTech industry, but also as a broad healthcare ecosystem, is to help improve access to quality healthcare for more people across Asia Pacific.
The forum offers us the opportunity for the smart minds from all over the world to come together and discuss how we can use the technology to solve actual pain points and help the doctors and patients.
And what impacted me was how artificial intelligence can reach the people below the poverty line, because it increases the speed of diagnosis and in turn will lower costs of treatment.
Everybody is doing it and everybody is talking about it. Putting the patient in the center, using first principles approach to design solutions and healthcare services for the patient in a manner which is completely redefining the cost of care and delivery, enabling the patient to take care and command of their own health early on.
What APEC Med has done really well this year is involvement of startups. That's something that's very pertinent to us. How do you get medical technology from startups into the hospitals and into the care providers?
There will be an increased consumerization of healthcare, and I think that MedTech companies will take that into their technology roadmaps and to react and respond to that.
Overall, the sentiment is that it's a very exciting market to be in, to bring new devices and new innovations to help our patients. A lot of high hopes and expectations for a much bigger future.
In order to improve access to quality healthcare for many people across Asia Pacific, we need to work together across many stakeholders of healthcare ecosystem to innovate in everything we do.